So it's an amazing day here for Solar Energy World. You know, we're all about positively impacting our communities with solar power, and we're doing it here in Middleburg, Virginia today. A Habitat for Humanity neighborhood. Some 5 homeowners will end the day with solar power for their homes.
My name's Tom Close. At the office, I'm a regional operations manager. So this morning I met with these crews here, helped them and gave them the guidance they would need to complete their installs and continue to guide them through the projects through completion.
Seeing all the crews together, riding out on the street, getting together, being a whole team was really nice.
I just think it's amazing. Like I said, for the whole neighborhood to be able to, like I said, we worked hard to build our houses, but for the whole neighborhood to have their houses revitalized and to go green, to go solar, whatever, I think is amazing.
So this is a great opportunity to hear that an entire block of 5 houses in a row wants to go solar. We can help them do that. We're able to coordinate, so it's a great experience for all of the homeowners. It's a great opportunity to show what we've built and what we're capable of, and to give these customers a great experience and help them go solar.
Like I said, when these guys came, they came with the Army, they came to work. So I'm very impressed.
It takes time to build a company to be where we are today. I wouldn't imagine many companies are able to conquer a feat like this.
I'm glad that we are on the beginning of the trend of being more efficient and protecting our planet. I think it's very important for our next generation. Technology has come so far. It'll be something that will be great. You know, we have the perfect homes for this, so I think it'll be a win-win for all of us.